There's the man right there. What's going on, Ryan? How you doing? Look at this thing, man. Oh, that's amazing. That's awesome. Well, now I know what I can adjust on you, brother. Cool. That's what a chiropractor likes to see right there. Nice straight spine. We're gonna adjust all of this right here, man. We're gonna have you take a breath in and all the way out, Mr. Ryan. Good. Yeah. Oh, wow. Hand goes right here, and we're gonna take care of your lower back, okay? Let's have you take a breath in and all the way out. Yep. Oh, man. Good job. Yeah, that was nice. Take a breath in all the way out. Yep, good. Good job. Bring your elbow straight down to the floor. As hard as you can. Oh, nice. And now you can relax. Elbow straight down. Man, you're gonna be feeling great. Let's have your arms up here, son. Good. Let's get in here for you. Right in here. Yeah, buddy. Same thing over here, Ryan. Oh, man. That's what's up right there.